Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction updates of my two clients here in Madonna Residences, located in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. And for our first house, this is a Melcon unit. So, from my client in Japan. And so far, ito pa yung nagagawa. Currently, yung stairs is nasimulan na. And then, ang ginagawa ngayon is pag install ng metal faring dito sa loob ng bahay para ma-install na yung ating ceiling. So, ayan po siya. Yan yung mga metal faring na sinasabi ko. So, the last time that we were here, ang ginagawa is yung sa garage, yung metal faring sa garage. And yung roof eaves natin, in-upgrade po yan kasi dati wood yan. Ngayon po, ayan na siya. And then, ito yung Melcon unit. So, ang ganda rin ni Melcon unit, yung partition niya, ang laging gusto ng clients. And then second house naman, this is a Julieta unit from my USA client. So, ayan po siya, nagawa na yung structural ng ating garage. So far, yun lang po ang nadagdag sa kanyang bahay. Ayan po. So, yun po yung ginawa currently. And Julieta is one of our best sellers along Abigail po. Ayan siya. So if interested, message us so we can assist you better. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for updates and promos. Have a nice day, dear homeowners. See you soon!